Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative. Hope everyone is doing well today, this morning. And, well, don't know what time to be when the video comes out. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick project share. I have a couple sets for customers and the rest for myself. I'm building my stash. And I've shown this die plenty of times before. You know, I got it from TM. Y'all know that. Most of my stuff comes from TM. This is the Quick Cuts envelope die. And you do need to have an extender plate to use that, unless you want to take it out and roll it back in. I used this, the World Is Yours die. I got 3 dies in a set, X-Cuts on clearance from HSN, I guess, a year and a half. I don't know how long ago it was, but it was $10 for 3 different dies, and I thought it was a great deal, so I got them. And then I used some other dies that I did get from Tuesday morning, which were some Crafters Companion. This one says thank you, peace, goodwill, and joy, thinking of you. That's not that one. Cherish and special friend and welcome to the family. And then I got some 6 ones. This is Hola, Amor, and Gracias, and I don't know where the Gracias one is at, but I did get those from Hobby Lobby. And and I think that's it for the dies that I used for this one. And I will show you. So I was making my grandson's aunt. She wanted something in Spanish, so I said okay. So she said just like regular brown, paper, whatever. She didn't care about the colors or whatever. So instead of just doing the craft one, which I did make one, but I made it in this, I like this darker brown, so I did this brown, and I did the more as the, and the beige as the contrasting. So it says, Amor, Hola, Gracias. So, and of course it repeats, so I do them in sets of 6. So I made that set for her, which I thought was just absolutely cute. I love that color combination. And, I did not make myself, because I'm building my stash as well. I made this set for myself in the craft in the red. So got to throw a little red in there whenever I can. But again, so they have that. And then this one again was building my stash for myself. So these are just some of those Crafted Companion dies. I just want to again build me some stuff up. So this says peace, goodwill, and joy. Welcome to the family. Cherish every moment. Thinking of you. To a special friend. And thank you. So that can be a set or just individual. I can use them however I wanted to per sentiment. But again, that was some to have on hand for myself. This was the other one in craft that she wanted. It says the world is yours today, because they were honoring someone. And so I made her a set in the craft. And then I just made myself a set in the green, and the light green. So I'll get those out to them, and then I will also have some for my stash as well. So that little die, which is funny, has really come in handy as much, because you can put so much on it. And I've done a series on my channel before where I did decorating envelopes. And the ones I did in the past were ones that I made by hand, which are really easy to make envelopes by hand. And then I just put like a layer and stuff on them. So this is a different take on them, just doing more clean and simple ones. But I also like personally making the layered ones with a lot of decorations and stuff on them as well. But these are quick and simple and fun to make, and enjoy making them for my customers. So again, you can use, if you have this die, you can use any die on it. And again, even though I'm showing you some of the simple ones, because a lot of non-crafters, they just want the product. They don't want all the layering kind like we do with, layers, because they're just going to stick whatever they want in it and give it away, gift card, whatever, and boom. But anyway, but it's also neat for your own stuff. If I want to send something to someone, I can just stick it in the envelope, and, they can reuse it or whatever. But anyway, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.